Tips if you are a busy person that wants to achieve your goals and manage your life outside fitness at the same time. So number one is by picking the right exercise or workout that fits your schedule and your goals. So you don't need to have a super high frequency type of workout or super intense 2-hour, 3-hour workout just to reach your goals. So kung hindi yun pasok sa schedule mo, at the same time, naburn out ka lang din kasi pagod ka sa work, most likely, hindi ka rin magiging consistent with that type of workout. So instead, kahit 2 times or 3 times a week na workout yan, or kahit home workout, as long as magiging consistent ka, mas maganda yon. It's all about the consistency and it's all about the longevity. Okay guys, next is portion control. If wala kang time para mag-prep ng meals, you just have to follow the portion control rule, which is yung sinasabi nilang 1 fist para sa carbs or sa gulay, or half a plate is gulay and fruits, 1 palm for protein, then 1 thumb for fats, no? So hindi naman sinasabi na accurate to kasi iba't iba naman tayo ng size or measurements ng hands, pero ang matututunan lang natin sa portion control is giving high fiber foods, lean protein a priority than the fatty foods. Kasi mas mababa yung calories ng mga high fiber foods, at the same time, mas nakakabusog sila. So again, kung wala kang time para mag-track, kung wala kang time para mag-prep na meal, ang tip ko is by knowing the portion control or being mindful of what you eat. My third is time management. Time management is a skill. Skill because it is something that we can improve or we can learn day in and day out. For example, galing ka sa work, pagod ka, you need to set a schedule kahit 30 minutes or 1 hour workout lang, as long as na may pasok mo yung workout dun sa routine. Meal prepping, kung hindi mo kaya mag-meal prepping, portion control ng food, yung mga simpleng bagay na kaya mo mag-organize ng task based on the time na meron tayo, yun ay skill. Now, if you're an adult na busy pero gusto rin magkaroon ng time para sa fitness goals, go for it. Simulan mo sa kaunti and then matutunan mo lang mag-set ng schedule na regardless of how you feel, you try to show up kasi yun yung nakaset na schedule para sa'yo, and for sure, you will get there. Habits. These habits are powerful when it comes to your goals. For example, sa work, habit mo na yung pagkakape, habit mo na yung pagbabasa, or habit mo na rin yung pakikipagkwentuhan sa mga katrabaho mo. So, kung yung mga ganong simpleng habit is nagagawa mo sa job or in your life, try to incorporate habits that will lead you to your fitness goals. So, kaya mo maggawa ng mga ganong type of habit, what more sa mga simplest things such as walking more, being active, pati na rin yung habit of eating good food. So, yung mga ganyang bagay, it is something that we tend to overlook eh. Minsan, nagpo-focus tayo dun sa greater goal, dun sa physique na gusto na nating ma-achieve. Pero hindi naman natin tinitingnan kung ano ba yung habit na meron tayo. Kung yung habits ba natin is nakakapag-lead into something greater that we want. So I hope nakatulong yung simple video natin. Pero I just want to share with you guys kung ano nga ba yung mga nakakatulong sa akin para ma-reach yung fitness goals. And I hope ma-reach nyo rin yung mga fitness goals nyo kahit na busy tayo sa trabaho. Okay? So yun lang guys. Workout na tayo, and until next video, peace!